Hello student, today we solve problem set 22. First question, add. Now in the last video you learn problem set 21, subtraction of like fraction. In this problem set we solve subtraction and addition of unlike fraction. First question is add. Now first example, 1/8 plus 3/4. These are unlike fractions. We have to add this fraction. Before doing addition, we have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction and then solve the given example. Now 1/8 plus 3/4. Now now what is least common factor in these two fractions? See, first we have to calculate LCM. In first fraction 1/8, 8 and second is 4, denominator is 4. We have to 4 1 4 4 to the 8. Least common factor is 8. Okay, therefore we have to 3. We multiply on both the side by 2, then is equal to 1/8 plus 6/8. 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8. Now see, denominators are same. Then we add the given fraction. Write down 8 denominator side and numerator 1 plus 6 is equal to 1 plus 6, 7. 7/8. We learn addition of like fraction. In this set we have to solve addition of unlike fraction. First we convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. See, 1/8 plus 3/4. Then 1/8 plus we multiply 3/4 by 2, numerator and denominator. Then we get 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 6/8. 1/8 plus 6/8. Now see, denominators are same, means these are like fractions. Then we do addition. Okay, now second example, 2/21 plus 3/21. We are to given these two unlike fractions. See, here denominator is 21 and here 7. Now we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fraction, then add. Now see, denominator is 21, here 7. Now we have to first calculate least common factor of this denominator, 7. Now least common factor is 21 on both the side. Okay, therefore we 2/21 plus 3 into 3 and 7 into 3, we get 2/21 plus 3 3 is 9, 7 3 is 21. Now we get same denominators, means these are like fractions. Then do addition. First add numerator 2 plus 9 and write down denominator 21 as it is. 2 plus 9, 11. 11/21 means addition is 11/21. Understood student? Now see next example. Example number 3, 2/5 plus 1/3. Now we multiply 2/5 by 3, numerator and denominator, plus 1/3, numerator and denominator by 5. Then we get 15 plus 5/15. Now the denominators are same. Then do addition. 6 plus 5/15 is equal to 11/15. Understood? In this fraction denominators are not same. Therefore first we convert this denominator equal. We first calculate least common factor of both 5 and 3. Least common factor is 15. Then we multiply this fraction by 3. 2 3 is 6 and 5 3 is 15. And this fraction 1/3 by 5. 5 1 is 5 and 5 3 is 15. Now say these denominators are same. Then we do addition. 6 plus 5/15. 6 plus 5, 11. means answer is 11 upon 15, or we write down here 11 upon 15. Now next example, example number 4, 2 by 7 plus 1 by 2. Now 2 by 7, we multiply this fraction by 2 on numerator and denominator, plus 1 by 2 multiply 7, then we get 2 to the 4, 7 to the 14, plus 7 1 the 7, 7 to the 14. Now see, denominators are same, then do addition. 4 plus 7 upon 14 is equal to 7 plus 4, 11 upon 14. Now next example, example number 5. 3 upon 9 plus 3 upon 5. We have to do the addition of this fraction. 3 upon 9. Now first step is to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction and then do addition. Understood? Remember in mind, their denominators are not same, means these are unlike fractions. Then first step is to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Okay, then the next step is do addition of numerator, and third step, write down denominator as it is. Okay, first step is convert unlike fraction into like fraction, second step addition of numerator, third step write down denominator as it is. Okay, now 3 upon 9 multiply by 5, numerator and denominator. Okay, plus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 9, numerator and denominator. Then we get 3 5 is 15, 9 5 is 45, plus 3 9 is 27, 5 9 is 45. See, these denominators are same, means we convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. Then next step is add numerator, 15 plus 27, and write down denominator as it is. 15 plus 27, see, 7 8 9 10 11 12 2 3 4, 42 upon 45. Answer is our 42 upon 45. Now question number 2, subtract. Example number 1, 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. Now see, in this example also we are given unlike fractions. To do subtraction, we also convert this unlike fraction into like fraction and then do subtraction. Okay. Now 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. We multiply this 3 upon 10 by 2. 3 into 2, 10 into 2 minus 1 upon 20. 3 to the 6, 10 to the 20 minus 1 upon 20. Now 6 minus 1. Now see, denominators are same, means this convert this unlike fraction into like fraction, then do subtraction. 6 minus 1 upon 20. Answer is 5 upon 20. 5 upon 20. Okay, now example number 2. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. 3 upon 4 minus 1 by 2. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 3 by 4 minus 2. 2 to the 4. This convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Now do subtraction. 3 minus 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4. We get the answer 1 upon 4. Okay. Now example number 3. 6 upon 14 minus 2 upon 7. See, these are unlike fractions. Then first step is convert into like fraction and then subtract numerator and write down denominator as it is. Okay. 6 upon 14 minus 2 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 2. 6 upon 14 minus 2 to the 4, 7 to the 14. Now see, denominators are same, means we convert this fraction into like fraction. Now do subtraction. 6 minus 4 upon 14. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 upon 14. We can do in this way, or we can divide. 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14, means the answer is 1 by 7. Okay, 2 by 14. See, answer is 2 by 14 or 1 by 7. Okay, this answer also barabar right, and this answer also right. Okay, now example number 4. 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon 5. Now 4 upon 6 we multiplied by 5 on both side, minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 6 on numerator and denominator. Now see, denominators are same, then we do subtraction. 20 minus 18 upon 30. We get 2 upon 30 or 1 upon 15. Both the answers are same. Okay, 2 1 the 2, 2 15, 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10. Means we divide numerator and denominator by 2. We get 1 upon 15. We write down 2 upon 30 or 1 upon 15. These answers are right or correct. Okay, now next example, example number 5. 2 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. 2 by 7 multiply both the side numerator and denominator by 4, minus 1 by 4 into 7. Sorry, 2 4 is 8, 7 4 is 28, minus the 8 upon 28 minus 7 upon 28 is equal to 8 minus 7 upon 28 is equal to 1 upon 28. Understood? 8 minus 7, 1 upon 28. Means the answer is 1 upon 28. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.